Are you tired of fad diets that don't deliver? Feeling frustrated with the number on the scale? Let's face it, losing weight can be a real challenge, and it often feels like there's a ton of conflicting information out there. It's not just about moving more. What you eat plays a huge role. Today, we're diving deep into the world of food and uncovering 10 powerful allies in your weight loss journey. These aren't your average diet foods either. We're talking delicious, satisfying, and easy-to-find options that can be incorporated into your everyday meals. Get ready to say goodbye to cravings and hello to a healthier, happier you. Let's unlock the power of food together and start seeing real, lasting results. Let's kick things off with the incredible avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy fats and fiber. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Fats? For weight loss? Hear me out. Unlike unhealthy fats that can sabotage your goals, the monounsaturated fats found in avocados actually aid in weight loss. They help you feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings and overeating. Plus, avocados are incredibly versatile. Spread some on toast, add it to your salads for creaminess, or whip up some guacamole for a healthy snack. Remember, healthy fats are your friends when it comes to sustainable weight loss. So go ahead, embrace the avocado, and experience the difference. Next up, we have a breakfast staple that's often misunderstood: eggs. These little wonders are protein powerhouses, packing a serious punch when it comes to boosting your metabolism and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Starting your day with eggs can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that often lead to unhealthy snacking. They also provide essential nutrients like choline, which is crucial for brain health and fat metabolism. Don't be afraid to enjoy eggs in various ways: scrambled, poached, boiled, or even as a delicious omelet loaded with veggies. Remember, a protein-rich breakfast, like one that includes eggs, can set the tone for a successful day of healthy eating and weight management. Let's talk about leafy greens, the unsung heroes of the weight loss world. Spinach, kale, romaine lettuce. These nutritional powerhouses are incredibly low in calories but bursting with fiber, making them your new best friends on your weight loss journey. Fiber is key for weight management because it adds bulk to your meals, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. Plus, leafy greens are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Get creative and incorporate leafy greens into your diet in delicious ways. Add a handful to your smoothies, toss them into salads, or sauté them with garlic for a flavorful side dish. Remember, filling up on nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods like leafy greens is a surefire way to support your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Dive into the amazing benefits of salmon, a nutritious fish that can be a game-changer in your weight loss journey. It's an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which promote a healthy weight. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to weight gain, so include salmon in your diet. The protein helps you feel full, reducing cravings and overeating. Include salmon in your meals twice a week, baked, grilled, or pan-fried. Boost your weight loss success with salmon. Next on our list of weight loss champions is chicken breast, a lean protein source that's both delicious and versatile. When it comes to managing weight, protein is your best friend, and chicken breast delivers it in spades. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. It also helps maintain lean muscle mass, which is crucial for a healthy metabolism. Chicken breast is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Grill it, bake it, stir-fry it, or add it to salads and soups for a protein boost. Remember, Prioritizing lean protein sources like chicken breast is essential for building a healthy and sustainable diet that supports your weight loss goals. Let's talk about nuts, the perfect portable snack that can actually help you lose weight. While nuts are calorie-dense, they're also packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them incredibly satisfying and a great option to curb those midday cravings. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in nuts helps slow down digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and preventing blood sugar spikes that can lead to increased hunger and cravings. Keep a small portion of nuts on hand for a quick and easy snack between meals. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews are all excellent choices. Remember, incorporating nuts into your diet in moderation can be a delicious and effective way to manage hunger and support your weight loss efforts. Discover the power of Greek yogurt, a creamy delight for your gut health and weight loss. Packed with protein and probiotics, it's an excellent addition to your diet. Probiotics aid digestion and overall health. A healthy gut boosts metabolism and weight management. Enjoy Greek yogurt plain, in smoothies, or topped with berries and nuts for a nutritious snack. Let's talk about berries, the small but mighty fruits that pack a powerful punch when it comes to weight loss and overall health. Berries are naturally sweet and satisfying, making them a delicious and guilt-free treat. They're low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants, making them a weight loss superfood. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, while antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Enjoy berries fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Remember, incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can add sweetness and satisfaction to your meals while supporting your weight loss goals. Don't underestimate the power of chia seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them an excellent addition to your weight loss arsenal. Chia seeds have an exceptional ability to absorb liquid, expanding in your stomach and creating a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. This can help reduce overall calorie intake and prevent overeating. Add chia seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkle them on salads for an extra boost of nutrition and fiber. Remember, incorporating chia seeds into your diet is a simple yet effective way to increase your fiber intake, promote satiety, and support your weight loss journey. Let's raise a glass to green tea, a beverage that's not only refreshing but also boasts potential weight loss benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, particularly one called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been linked to increased metabolism and fat burning. Studies suggest that EGCG can enhance the effects of certain fat-burning hormones, such as norepinephrine. Green tea may also help reduce the absorption of fat, further contributing to weight management. Enjoy a cup or two of green tea throughout your day, either hot or cold, for a refreshing and potentially metabolism-boosting beverage. Remember, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can provide a refreshing way to support your metabolism and overall health goals. So there you have it. 10 incredible foods that can become your allies in your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making smart and delicious choices that nourish your body and support your goals. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive while feeling full, satisfied, and energized. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.